Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Kinemaster or Kinemaster. So I'm Shafi, you're watching Chef Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, first connect your internet, and after connecting to the internet, open your Play Store. Just to tap on the search button and type Kinemaster. So Kinemaster or Kinemaster both same. So here you can see the spelling. So this is the spelling, and now so let me give some information of this app. So guys, so now here you can see it has 1 million reviews and 50 million plus downloads. So this Kinemaster is a professional mobile video editing app. So really this is the best video editing software. So guys, till now whichever videos I'm recording, so every videos will be recording in this app called Kinemaster. So guys, make sure that you download this Kinemaster. So now after downloading the Kinemaster, so open the Kinemaster app. So guys, after tapping on the Kinemaster, so now first it will come like that. So first you have to tap on yellow. So guys, after tapping on the yellow, here you can see again tap on yellow. So guys, so now here you can see this is Kinemaster or Kinemaster. Both are same, but the pronunciation is different. So this is the first interface of the app. So now first here you can see one plus button in the middle one. So tap on this plus button, and after that, so now here you can see ratio. So guys, this ratio is very important. So now which type of ratio means which type of size type, which type of format you want. Do you want 16:9 ratio or 1:1 or 9:16? So here most of the videos will be in 16:9. So I'll tap on 16:9. So after that, now here you can see the interface for the app. So here the brightness is full, okay. So guys, so now first here you can see one circle. So this circle is a very important. So now the first one you can see here we have some media, layer, voice and audio. So guys, so now here you can see the first one, media. So what is mean by media? So if you tap on the media, then using media you can select your videos or photos, anything. Means which type of video you want to edit. So like that you can select your videos. So after selecting video you can also select photos. Means in this media browser you can select your videos. So it's after that layer. So what is mean by layer? So now here you can see when I am going to tap on the layer, it is saying please add a video clip or image before adding a layer. It means that layer will work only if you add any type of photo or a video using media. Means tap on the media. So after tapping on the media, you add any type of a video. So now here let me add any one video. So guys, say after adding the video, here you can see one tick mark. So tap on the tick mark. So after tapping on the tick mark, now here you can see this is the video. So here it's loading somewhat. So let it load. So I say it loaded successfully. So now here you can see, so this one. So this one is called as timeline. Timeline means everything whichever you will record, means whichever you will edit, like adding some text or adding some other images. So everything will be here. It's like a toolbar. So now first let me show you now layer. So media completed. Now let me show you about layer. So tap on layer. So now here after tapping on the layer, so now here you can see media, effect, overlay, text and handwriting. So now again if you go to media, then what will happen? So here I am going to media again. So after going to the media again, so now here I will select this video. So again tap on the tick mark. So now here you can see, so like that. On that video again another video you can add. So like this you can add the video. So layer, after going to the layer, tap on media for adding such type of video, or you can also add photo. This is a video. So if you don't want, you can also tap on this delete button So delete. So now again let's go to layer, and so now here you can see the second option, effect. What is mean by effect? So as effect is a really cool feature. Means effect means there are two type of effects. So now here you can see blur and mossy. So already you know blur. So now I'll tap on the first one. So blur. So now after tapping on it, so now here you can see. So again tap on the tick mark. So now here you can see blur. So like that you can add your blur, and you can also resize that blur. So like that you can do the blur. So like that you can do blur. So again if you want you can keep it, tap on tick mark and you can keep it. So if you want again tap on that blur one, and after that tap on delete. So now let's go to the third option, layer. So now here you can see third option is overlay. What is meant by overlay? So let's tap on overlay. So now here you can see classic sticker. So sorry, I tapped on get more. Okay, go back. So classic sticker. So tap on classic sticker. So by tapping on the classic stickers, you can get some cool stickers. So these stickers will be useful for any type of so you can use this. You can use this sticker. So now here I'm adding this sticker. So like this. So now again you can do resize. I said already. So like that you can do a resize. So like that you can add such type of stickers. So now let's go to the another option. So now we have text. So text is a very important. So if you are going to edit any type of video, then you will definitely add text. So tap on text and type whichever video you want. So now whichever text you want you can type it. So now here I'll type subscribe. So now here I'll type subscribe, and after that tap on OK. So after tapping on the OK, here you can see we got this text. So now here you can see we have some more options here. So now the first option here you can see AA means it's a font. So now tap on that one, and here you will get some more fonts in Android and also Latin. So now again let's see other fonts. So now here you can see one scissor option. So this scissor option is used to trim the playhead. Means trim means to cut. So you want the text to be only for 3 seconds. Means you don't want that. If suppose the text is 5 seconds, then you want only for 3 seconds. It means that you can cut the remaining 2 seconds with this feature. So now let's go back. Now here you can see white one. So this is a color. So which type of color you want for your text. And down here you can see some more options in animation. So in animation means animation. So first of all, whenever the text comes, then which type of animation you want. So fade or pop, slide drift. So like that here you can see many animations we have. So rubber stamp here like that. So enter, slide left, and so everything. So now here let me select one. So if you want you can select, or if you don't want you can select. And after that again I'll go back. Now here you can see overall animation. So overall animation means animation for total overall. Means if you want to keep any type of animation for overall, like suppose you kept one text, and the text you want the text to be blink every time. Means now if you tap on blink show, then like that until the video completes it will blink. So like that it's an overall animation. So now here I'll tap on none. So now here you can see the third option, out animation. So this out animation means whenever the text is going to complete, then which type of animation you want, fade or slide left, like that, which type of animation you want. So again I'll tap on none and go back. So now we have alpha opacity. So alpha opacity means the size, not size but the opacity. So now here, so like that, here comes the opacity, how much type of opacity you want, so you can change it. And now let's go to the another option. Here we have rotate or mirroring. Means if you want to rotate the text, so like that you can rotate it. So again go back. So now here we have some like 3 lines one we have. So this one is a, so like that, text format. So like that it's a one format. And let's go down, and here you can see shadow. So if you want you can add shadow. So like that, if you want you can add shadow, or if you don't want you can also tap on like that, so you will not get shadow. And down here you can see another option, glow. So glow means it will glow. So like that, you can also change the color by tapping on that green one. And also you can also get outline. So outline is a very cool. Now here you can see background color. So like that you can also get background color. And now if you tap on the background color, then you will get another option called full width background. So like that, yes. So now here you can see another option, blending. It's a premium option. So if you want to use this option, then you must buy this Kinemaster. So now here, so now the text one, everything I explained you about text. So now I'm going to delete this text. Okay, so before going to delete, let me show you about the scissor option. So now, okay, so now here you can see. So now let me volume down. So guys, so now see carefully. So here's the video. So now until there itself I want the subscribe text. So now afterwards I don't want. Then tap on the subscribe, and after that here you can see scissor option. So tap on scissor option. So now here you can see trim to left of playhead. Means if you tap on the first one, then whatever is there in the left side, so everything will be cutted. Now here you can see the second one, trim to right of playhead. Means right side one will cut. Now here you can see another option like split at playhead, means in middle it will cut. So now I will tap on right side one. So if I tap on right side, it will cut off. So like that, this is one option. So now I am going to delete that text. So now after text we have handwriting. So tap on handwriting. So if you are any type of board presenter, means board presenter means if you are having any type of school or any type of business, then means if you are explaining any type of video, then this one will be very useful. So now here you can see one pencil symbol. So tap on that pencil symbol and select which one you want. So here I'll tap on arrow. So now just tap, you have to draw like that. So like that you have to draw. So arrows, so those are all the arrows. So you can draw like those arrows. So guys, now I explained you all those media, effect, overlay, text and handwriting, everything. Now layer was complete. Now here you can see the third option, voice. So I'll tap on the voice. So now here you can see voice. So now here you can see tap on yellow. So after tapping on the yellow, you can tap on yellow. So after tapping on the yellow again, so now here you can see you are getting one video equalizer. So if you tap on start, then you can record the video. So after tapping on the start again, you can, so now here I'll tap on start. So now I tap on the start. Now here you can see stop. So now again if you tap on the stop, then the audio recording will be stopped. So like that you will get one audio. So here again you have some options like loop. So loop is a really best option, and also you have background. So like that means background audio, like that functions. So again you have here also this a trim, and so like that. And here we have some audio filter, means which type of voice sound you want, like filter. So this is an audio filter, and here we have volume envelope. So if you are a type of a singer like that, then this one will be useful. So again I'll delete this. So now again we have another option called audio. So what is this audio? So again if you tap on the audio, then now here you can see we got some audios which are available in this mobile. So in my mobile all those audios are available. So now here I'll select any type of one audio. So after selecting the audio, here you can see plus button. So tap on the plus button to add that audio. So now here you can see we have got the audio. So if you tap on the play button, then the audio also will run. So like that the audio also will run. So now again here after tapping on the audio, here you can see the sound one. So after tapping on the sound one, now here you can see, so if you want you can change the sound, or here you also have compressor. So like that already explained you this. So like that volume. So this is the functions of this Kinemaster for video editing. So now again beside we have some other options. So now here you can see first one, this is one type of circle arrow. So if you tap on this one, then it will go back. Go back means so by mistake you added something test, then if you tap on like that, so again you will get back. So like that, yeah, like that you will get back. So this will be very useful. And down here you can see share button. So if you tap on the share button, then you can export, means you can share that video to your friends or with anyone. So before going to share, here you can see the resolution. So which type of quality you want. So whether you want 360p, 720p, 1080p or 1440p. And also we have here frame rate. Now again here you can see the bitrate. So bitrate very will be useful. So I recommend you to keep the bitrate in middle or high, but don't keep low. So again, let's go back, and now here we have settings. So tap on settings. So now here you can see these are the options of audio. So audio fade out. So like that, those are some audio options which will be available for you. And down again, go to video. So again, video fade in, fade out means like an animation. So move to the editing. Here you can see project default for duration. So those all are some professional. I think it's not capable for you. So if you want, you can comment me in the comment section. Again, I'll make the video on it. So now again, let's go to. So now here you can see again this another one. So this one is the video recording everything. Which all you will add text, or you will add an effect, or you will add any type of stickers, then everything will be seen here. So this one is just to go back like that. So now that's it, guys. So this I explained everything about this. So now again we have only one option which I not explained. So now here you can see one like home means like one shop. So after tapping on the tap on the shop, and here you can see this is a Kinemaster store. So tap on agree and continue. So you must have a network connection. So using this one you can download some new fonts, means you can download some new type of fonts or new type of effects or new type of stickers. So like that you can download. So as now up here you can see made with Kinemaster. So if you want to delete this Kinemaster, then tap on delete, and after tapping on the delete, here you can see it's saying Google Play connection failed. It means that if you want to delete this made with Kinemaster, so this is one watermark. So if you want to delete this watermark, then you must buy this app. But if you don't want to buy this app, then you can just type Kinemaster mode APK. So like that you can type and you can download. So this is some basic Kinemaster features that which I explained you. So now if you want still more Kinemaster video editing tutorials, then make sure that you comment me in the comment section below. So guys, in my next video, I'll show you how to change the background of a video, means how to change the background of any video. So stay tuned until for next video. So here I explained you all this some functions of this, some basics of this Kinemaster video editing software. So guys, so now if you want to export this photo, then only I said you tap on share button, and after that select your quality. So here I'll select 720p, and here I'll select 720p, and I'll keep bitrate in medium, and after that tap on export. So after tapping on the export, so now here you can see continue with watermark, and now here you can see exporting project. So after exporting, directly open your gallery and see the video and enjoy. So that's it, guys, in this video. I hope you like that. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video to all. If you have any doubt, then comment me in the comment section below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Jai Hind.